Affiliate marketing using ChatGPT. What if you could use one simple AI tool to help generate content ideas, write video scripts, create blog posts, research keywords, build email campaigns, and even help grow an affiliate marketing business? That's exactly why so many people are talking about affiliate marketing using ChatGPT. In today's video, I'm going to show you what affiliate marketing using ChatGPT really looks like, how beginners are using AI to work smarter instead of harder, and the exact ways ChatGPT can help you build an affiliate marketing business faster. Now, before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because I regularly share affiliate marketing strategies, AI business ideas, online income opportunities, and traffic generation methods. And if you get value from this video, smash the like button because it helps more people discover these tutorials. Also, if you'd like access to the exact tools, resources, and training I recommend, click the link in the pinned comment below. I've put together resources that can help you get started much faster. Let's dive in. First, let's answer the big question. What is affiliate marketing using ChatGPT? Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting products or services and earning commissions when people purchase through your referral links. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool that can help you complete many of the tasks involved in affiliate marketing. Notice something important. ChatGPT does not do affiliate marketing for you. ChatGPT helps you become more productive. That's a major distinction. Many beginners believe AI is some magical button that automatically creates income. That's not how it works. Successful affiliate marketers still need a strategy. They still need traffic. They still need content. They still need consistency. The difference is that ChatGPT can help speed up the process dramatically. Let's look at the first way people are using affiliate marketing using ChatGPT: content creation. Content is the fuel that drives most affiliate marketing businesses. Without content, it's difficult to attract traffic. Without traffic, it's difficult to generate commissions. ChatGPT can help generate content ideas. It can help create outlines. It can help write drafts. It can help organize information. It can help brainstorm angles. Instead of staring at a blank screen for hours, you can start with a framework and build from there. This alone can save an enormous amount of time. Now let's discuss YouTube. YouTube remains one of the best platforms for affiliate marketers because people actively search for solutions. Product reviews, tutorials, comparisons, how-to videos, software demonstrations, beginner guides. ChatGPT can help create video outlines, generate hooks, suggest talking points, organize content structure, and help you create videos more consistently. The goal is not copying and pasting AI content. The goal is using AI to improve productivity. Now, before we continue, if you'd like access to the exact resources I recommend for affiliate marketing using ChatGPT, click the link in the pinned comment below. Those resources can help shorten your learning curve and avoid common beginner mistakes. Let's talk about keyword research. Keyword research is one of the most important skills in affiliate marketing. If nobody searches for your content, it's difficult to generate traffic. ChatGPT can help brainstorm keyword ideas, generate content topics, suggest audience questions, create long-tail keyword variations, and identify related content opportunities. For example, if you're promoting email marketing software, ChatGPT can help generate dozens of content ideas around email marketing, list building, automation, newsletters, and lead generation. More content ideas create more opportunities. More opportunities create more traffic. More traffic creates more commission potential. Now let's discuss blogging. Many affiliate marketers use blogs to generate search engine traffic. ChatGPT can help create article outlines, organize research, generate drafts, create FAQs, develop topic clusters, and improve workflow efficiency. Again, the goal is not publishing low-quality AI content. The goal is creating better content faster. People often misunderstand this. The creators who succeed use AI as an assistant, not as a replacement for value. Let's move on to email marketing. Email marketing remains one of the most profitable marketing channels available. Many successful affiliate marketers build email lists because they want direct access to their audiences. ChatGPT can help write email subject lines, generate newsletter ideas, create email sequences, improve calls to action, and brainstorm promotional campaigns. The more effectively you communicate with your audience, the greater the opportunity to build trust. And trust often leads to sales. Now, if you're finding this video helpful so far, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I regularly publish affiliate marketing tutorials, AI marketing strategies, traffic generation methods, and online business ideas designed specifically for beginners. Let's discuss social media content. Many affiliate marketers use short-form content to attract attention. ChatGPT can help create content ideas, hooks, captions, video concepts, educational posts, storytelling angles, and content calendars. The biggest advantage is speed. Instead of spending hours wondering what to post, you can quickly generate ideas and focus on execution. Now let's discuss one of the most powerful uses of affiliate marketing using ChatGPT: product reviews. Review content can be extremely valuable because viewers are often close to making a purchase decision. People search for reviews because they want information, they want clarity, they want confidence. ChatGPT can help structure review content, organize talking points, compare features, and create outlines. However, it's important to provide genuine opinions and real experiences whenever possible. Authenticity matters, trust matters, and trust drives conversions. Now let's talk about comparison content. Comparison content is one of the easiest ways to attract buying intent. Examples include Tool A versus Tool B, Platform A versus Platform B, Software A versus Software B, Course A versus Course B. People searching these terms are often preparing to make decisions. That makes comparison content valuable. ChatGPT can help organize comparison frameworks and content structures quickly. Let's discuss affiliate marketing using ChatGPT for faceless content. Many beginners don't want to appear on camera. That's perfectly fine. ChatGPT can help create scripts for faceless videos, educational videos, tutorial videos, explainer videos, presentation-style videos, voiceover content, and slideshow content. Many successful affiliate marketers generate traffic without ever appearing on camera. The important thing is delivering value, not showing your face. Now let's discuss one of the biggest mistakes beginners make: relying entirely on AI. This is where many people go wrong. They generate content, publish content, and expect instant results. Successful marketers understand that AI is a tool. You still need strategy. You still need audience understanding. You still need problem-solving skills. You still need consistency. AI can help you move faster, but it cannot replace execution. That's an important lesson. Now let's discuss traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. Without traffic, there are no clicks. Without clicks, there are no commissions. Some popular traffic sources include YouTube, Google search, blogging, short-form videos, email marketing, Pinterest, communities, forums, and niche websites. ChatGPT can help support all of these strategies, but traffic still comes from publishing useful content consistently. Now let's talk about realistic expectations. Can affiliate marketing using ChatGPT work? Absolutely. Can beginners succeed? Yes. Can ChatGPT improve productivity? Without question. Can ChatGPT save time? Definitely. But ChatGPT is not a shortcut to success. The fundamentals still matter. Helping people, solving problems, creating value. building trust, generating traffic, and staying consistent. Those principles haven't changed. Now let's discuss a simple action plan. Step 1, choose a niche. Step 2, find affiliate offers that solve real problems. Step 3, use ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas. Step 4, create valuable content consistently. Step 5, drive traffic. Step 6, build an email list. Step 7, stay patient and keep improving. Simple. Not always easy, but simple. Most people fail because they quit too early. The people who succeed keep learning and keep publishing. Now, before we wrap up, if you'd like access to the exact tools, resources, and training I recommend for affiliate marketing using ChatGPT, click the link in the pinned comment below. Those resources can help you avoid common mistakes and accelerate your progress. And don't forget to subscribe because I publish new videos every week covering affiliate marketing, AI business strategies, online income opportunities, traffic generation methods, and work-from-home ideas. Also, hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Let's quickly recap. ChatGPT can help with content creation, keyword research, YouTube videos, blogging, email marketing, social media content, review content, comparison content, and productivity. Use AI to work smarter. Focus on solving problems. Stay consistent. Build trust, and continue improving. That's how affiliate marketing using ChatGPT works. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, click the link in the pinned comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.